Hi, everyone. Welcome to the latest video on releasing whatever is holding you back. And with all the turmoil going on in life, it's especially important to allow yourself to just keep letting go and being more open to the truth of who you are from moment to moment. The more open you are, the more allowing you are, the more you'll respond appropriately to all our current challenges. And I know at times it can look really bleak in our world at the moment. And I'm not in any way downplaying how extreme things are in life. However, if we allow ourselves to really let go, we'll find that we respond much more appropriately to whatever is going on in life. You'll know when to act and when not to. You know what to trust and what not to. And the place to start with trust is always by trusting your own intuitive knowingness, by trusting yourself. And in this release, we'll be exploring a new way of releasing that I'll be exploring both on the upcoming advanced retreat and in the facilitator training. And it's based on the premise that everything that we see, everything that we hear, everything that we feel, everything that we experience is appearing in or on that which we truly are. And because it is already an appearance in or on that, if you allow yourself to, you can actually focus on whatever the problem is of the moment and then go deeper into where the source, where it's coming from. And at first that may take you deeper into the feeling or the experience, but if you're persistent, you just stay open, what it does is it pulls you beyond the exterior. It opens you to experiencing something that's very profound. So let's explore it together. So in this moment, could you just simply allow yourself to be what you are and be what you are and be what you are? And then allow yourself to focus on one of either your personal challenges of the moment or something happening in the world that is causing any kind of stress or tension or anxiety or contraction. And could you welcome whatever that brings up inside of you? Could you just let that be here? And then could you just allow yourself to ponder what is the source of whatever you're experiencing? Now, at first, the mind may throw up all sorts of ideas, but do this more as a normal releasing question where you're opening to the letting go. If you pay attention and keep going deeper, it will take you through the turmoil into source, into that which you already are. So again, as you focus on whatever that is, allow yourself to focus on what is source. Look through it to the source. And then allow yourself to look back at that issue as best you can as source, as space, as emptiness, as calmness, as imperturbability. And then allow yourself to just simply welcome any fear or anxiety or tension or contraction you may be experiencing in this moment. And what is the source of that? And whatever the mind throws up, if anything, what is the source of that? And what is the source of that? And then could you allow yourself to look back at whatever that was on the surface as source, as truth, as light, as love, as calmness? And to allow yourself to go deeper into the light, into the love, into source. Just allow yourself to ask, what is the source of light? What is the source of unshakable inner security? What is the source of love? And if it's even more than that, what is the source of love? And if it's still more than that, what is the source of love? And now again, allow yourself to focus on either something happening in the world or something happening within your own consciousness that feels contracted, that feels disturbed, that feels less than optimal. And could you just welcome that? Let it be here. And then simply check. What is the source of that? Remember to go past whatever the mind throws up. Now, if you stay open, you'll notice the mind quickly goes still. But if it's still throwing things up, think less, feel more as best you can. And again, what is the source of that? If the mind is throwing something up, just ask, what is the source of that? Keep tracing it deeper. And what is the source of that? And then allow yourself to ask the same question of some of the characteristics of source. What is the source of calmness? What is the source of light? What is the source of love? And as that light, as that love, as that truth of who you are, could you allow yourself to look back at that situation or at the body-mind world and see it as Source sees it? And just do that as best you can. Just sit back in and as Source, as light, as love, as truth, as freedom. And look at our world and your body-mind as part of it from that more expanded perspective. Just do that as best you can. The more you allow yourself to do that, the more it will transform every part of your life. And even if you're facing some extreme challenges at the moment, this will help get you through. You'll find that you respond more appropriately, more effectively, more easily, even more quickly to what is in your highest and best good moment to moment. So just allow yourself to explore what is Source. And do it not just on the light and the love, but on all the things that appear to obscure it. Because as you keep going deeper, you can discover that they come from the same source. And by discovering that, the things that seem threatening, that seem external, that seem to be challenges, start to resolve themselves. And if you'd like to go deeper with this, please join me on either the upcoming advanced retreat, which we're doing completely via video. And we're going to be doing it all from this spot right here. And we're also going to be have a facilitator training coming up where we'll be exploring this and ways you can help yourself and those you care about. So thanks for watching and enjoy. And if it feels appropriate to you, please share this with people you care about. Thanks for watching.